Alva. Hi, Mo.
There's Alva and Mo.
Time to put our plan into action.
Break out the troll dust and let's get Mo!
Tiptoe through the Oolies!
Through the Oolies with me! Tiptoe through the Oolies!
Why would anyone tiptoe through flowers and sing so badly?
I've no idea.
Neither do I.
Tiptoe through the Oolies with me!
Good, they're gone. I really hope I never have to hear singing like that again.
It was not within any tonal range I am familiar with. Well, to the tonal range, to the tonal range, blah, blah, blah.
Mo, are you okay?
Never better. Tiptoe through the lips, through the lips with me. Mo's singing is almost as awful as those trolls.
I've never ever seen her like this. Maybe Mayor Garth will know what's wrong with her.
Let's go. I think it's a great idea to ask for help when worried about a friend.
Mo, we need to get you looked at.
That worked a treat.
Oh, I have an even better idea how to really disturb things in Gizmo.
Hey, Bravo! What did that statue ever do to you? I've never been chased by a Blobbo before.
First Mo, now this Blobbo? Something's definitely gone wrong in Gizmo today.
Tiptoe through the hula. Tiptoe through the
Thanks, Alva.
Wait! Ah! I want to ride a horsey. Tiptoe through the hula. Tiptoe through the hula.
What's got into Mo and that Blobbo?
We were hoping you would know.
Relax, Dildaroonie. I've just been trip-trolling through the Oolies. And I've never felt better!
Bad behavior. And Mo says she was trip-trolling.
That's right. There were those trolls and their horrible singing.
Oh, how could we forget?
Aha! This is a once-in-a-Gizmo-life phenomenon. When trolls' ear hairs dry up and turn to troll dust.
Troll dust?
Ear hairs?
My mom told me about the last time something like this happened. It nearly turned Gizmo upside down.
What does troll dust do?
It doesn't always work on everyone or everything, but if a troll sprinkles troll dust on someone who can be affected, they begin to misbehave.
Poor Mo.
Can you hold Mo still?
Stay still, Mo. I'm trying to help you.
But I'm having fun!
Now, let me just look at Mo with my Giz magnifier. Aha! Troll dust indeed. I don't know about Mo, but if Blobbos aren't fixed in a hurry, they can stay like that forever.
How can we fix Mo and the Blobbos?
We need an Oolie helper.
Oolie helper, here to help.
Oolie helper, Mo has a bad case of troll dust.
Ooh, an Oolie broom. Hey, that tickles. Stop!
You're okay now, Mo?
Alva, I feel like I have been in a dream. Everything was so fast and I didn't seem like myself at all.
It must not be very nice to feel like that.
It seems I was singing.
Well, you tried, but your singing was kind of freestyle.
There are misbehaving Blobbos all over Gizmo.
We need to stop them.
Yes, but I think first we need to stop the trolls before they cover more blobbos in dust. Mayor Garth, is there a way to get all the blobbos in one place?
Not that I know of. They tend to have a mind of their own.
I may be able to help.
I checked Gizmo Street a while ago. Blobbos are chasing all the Oolies out of their shops.
Hey, trolls! Stop! Right now!
You can't tell us what to do. There's 3 of us.
4. Mo is one of us now.
I beg your pardon. I am nothing of the sort.
Huh? How did you get fixed?
Let's just say we had a little help from a helper. And you trolls are not going to be sprinkling it at all anymore.
Uh-oh. An Oolie helper!
I get the feeling they're not here to help us.
Catch Alva.
Aw, Alva tricked us.
Now, Oolie helper!
Ooly booly blobbo tree, call your blobbers back to thee.
Even a misbehaving blobbo can't refuse a call from the blobbo tree.
A nice nap, and those blobbos will be just fine.
I think you trolls can go now.
All that ear here got the waste.
Thank you for helping me.
Yes, thank you, Oolie helper.
This Oolie helper is happy to have helped.
Okay, Mo, time to go. Bye! Hi, Oolie Bean.
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Is this your flower patch? It's so pretty.
Thank you, Alva. I spent all weekend tidying and trimming and watering. I wanted to get it looking just the way I like it.
Aw, cute. I think it looks great. I'm sure everyone will love it. Those blobbos seem happy, Mo.
Indeed, Alva. The first blobbo remarked that it's a sunny day. The other likes sunny days.
I like sunny days too. All the better to make my mood blossom shine. I wonder if the blobbos were like my flower patch.
Aw.
I'm sorry, my little friend. No likes for my flower patch.
They just didn't look in this direction, Oolie Bean. There's a lot to see in the park. Like Mayor Garth's balloon.
Oh, no! Look, Alva! I should have cleaned the little fence. No wonder they didn't like my flower patch.
Now that you mention it, getting that fence all nice and clean will be the icing on the cake.
I don't have a cake in my flower patch. Do you think I need a cake?
No, I just mean that it will make your flower patch look even lovelier.
Whoa!
Come on, I'll help.
That would be oolerific!
The fence is 99% clean. 100% clean.
That's a lot of clean, Mo. Here's a blobbo. Let's see if they like it. Oh, that blobbo didn't even notice.
As you noted, Alva, there is so much to see in the park. Like dancing clickies.
Why would they look at this dull patch of weeds? No wonder they didn't notice it.
Dull? Weeds? Why would you say that?
I know a lot about dull weeds.
And we know all about getting likes. If it don't get likes, it must be kind of lame. We get likes, don't we?
Yeah, we're great because of all the likes we get.
The trolls are being very rude.
What if my flower patch really is no good, Alva? It needs something noticeable, oolerific even. We need to make it...
The best flower patching gizmo. We'll get your likes, Uli Bean. Now it's even prettier. Just you wait and see. A blobbo is coming.
Hey, Blobbo!
Huh?
Look what we made! It's a face, see? On a gizmelon.
That was our like.
Mine now. Try harder.
Oh, they got that blobbo's attention by being all big and dazzling.
Of course. When you think of trolls, you think big and dazzling.
How could that blobbo notice our flower patch with that going on?
If I might suggest, Alva, we could be big and dazzling.
That's it. Forget these little stones. I've some bigger ideas. Let's get loud.
Huh? Whoa! It's not right. It's not right at all. The trolls just keep jumping on every idea we have. Going bigger and dazzlinger and surprisinger.
I agree with Uli Bean. This isn't right at all.
Indeed, Alva. By my calculations, the trolls are currently 24.7% more surprisinger.
No, Mo. I just mean it's no fun. And look at poor Uli Bean. He's not happy, and he looks all frowny.
Maybe it did need a cake, Alva. No, that's not right either.
Wait, Uli Bean. This isn't making us happy at all.
That's because nobody liked it yet. We need to do more. Maybe add a fountain. No, a dinosaur. Or a rocket ship. People love rocket ships, right?
But that's just it. I know it feels nice when people like what we do. But did you make this flower patch because other people like it? Or because you like it?
Well, I made it because I like it. I made it for myself.
So it doesn't matter what others think, does it? It matters what you think. And what do you think?
I liked it the way it was before.
Then how about I help you get it back? Just the way you want it.
Wait, where's our likes?
What do you mean, our likes? Those last few were my likes. Hey, watch me hop on one leg. Ha, ha, ha.
Anyone can hop on one leg. I can hop on no legs.
Looks like the trolls aren't quite so dazzling anymore.
And are now 32% less surprising.
Oh,
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! Something terribly interesting is happening.
No!
oh.
I'm terribly interesting, too!
No way, I'm more interesting. Let me do the gizmelon thing again. I'll do it better this time.
No, me! I need my likes!
Oh, just look at it. You like it, Alva?
What's important is that you like it, Uli Bean.
I love it. It's exactly the way I wanted it all along.
Uli Bean, your flower patch looks ooly-tastic.
Indeed. It's the floweriest and patchiest flower patch I've seen since breakfast. Wonderful.
People do like your flower patch.
I'm glad, Alva, really I am. But I did it for myself. And now I wouldn't change it for all the likes in Gizmo. Thank you so much.
Well, we'll see you later. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Goodbye, Alva.
Hi, Uli Pong, Uli Bean. What's going on?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. You're just in time. Mayor Garth is being presented with a new mayoral chain.
It's a gift from the Exalted Chainmakers. They say they made it in their fancy workshop on Gizmo Street.
This chain is to honor how awesome Mayor Garth is.
I do look awesome, don't I?
You know what? You could look even more awesome by adding extra bling-a-ling to your chain.
Oh, yes, please.
Now the chain was free, but the special bubbles, well, they cost a gizbit each.
19, 20, 20 and 1.
Wow, I love your new chain, Mayor Garth. It's fabulous.
Thanks, Alva. But what if it was even more fabulous? By adding 1 or 2 special bubbles. They're only 1 gizbit each.
But aren't those gizbits used to pay all the Oolies who help run the town?
Yes, but look, there's plenty. Oh, I really should get something to keep them in.
Well, Mayor Garth, have you made a decision?
Ooh, yes. I'd like to buy 1, maybe 2.
Excellent. No one but the mayor is allowed to see our special bubble attaching technique. It's a secret, see?
Wow, those bubbles look awesome.
Oh, I know. I bought a few extra.
Did you spend all the town's gizbits on bubbles?
Yes. Aren't they impressive? Look at this purple one. It's next level bling-a-ling.
I think that one's faulty.
Oh,
May I suggest bringing it back to the Chainmaker's workshop to ask for a replacement?
Good thinking, Mo. Let's go, Oolies.
oh, you 3. Alva just went to your shop.
Let me guess, a faulty bubble, right?
These things happen.
Yeah, that's why we thought we'd offer an Oolie of your exquisite taste even better, more next-level bling-a-ling.
But I'm out of gizbits.
Gizbits aren't the only way to pay for something.
I've just done a search on Mo Maps, and there are no Chainmakers listed anywhere in Gizmo.
Well, that's weird.
And there's something weird about this. Without its fancy color, it looks just like a regular bubble from the bubble bush in the park.
Then I say we go to the bubble bush.
Presenting the gold-striped bubble. Now, we're gonna have an auction. Each of you is gonna offer something valuable for the gold-striped bubble. The one who bids the most valuable item wins. Okay, who wants to start the bidding?
I'll bid 1 shoe for the bubble.
I'll bid 2 shoes.
All right, we got 2 shoes going once, going twice. Come on.
Oh, I get it. I'll bid a pair of boots.
We got a pair of boots going once, going twice.
My favorite fork.
My favorite fork and spoon.
My favorite spoon and berry bowl.
Yeah, we got a spoon and a berry bowl going once, going twice.
I'll bid Gizmo.
You can't bid Gizmo.
Okay, I'll bid Gizmo then.
You can't bid Gizmo either. I'm the mayor. I would have to stand here and say, I bid Gizmo.
Wait, I can't hear you from over here.
I bid Gizmo.
Right, Gizmo, going once, going twice. 1 gold-striped bubble sold to former Mayor Uli Garth for the mere price of Gizmo.
Wait, what now? I didn't mean to actually...
You got till dusk to clear out.
We did it, guys.
We completely tricked the mayor into spending all his gizbits on these worthless bubbles.
And then we took Gizmo from him.
It's the trolls!
Oolies are foolies.
The entire town of Gizmo in exchange for one bubble?
You were tricked. It's not fair.
Oh, well, it may not be nice, Alva, but under the Gizmo rules of swapsies and tradesies, it was fair. I'm such an ooly fooly.
Oh, Mayor Garth, if someone mean tricks you, it's not your fault.
Oh, it's just Ooly Garth now. Or it will be at dusk when those trolls come back to take over Gizmo. What would you do?
If somebody tricked me, I'd tell Mum and Dad straight away.
It won't be the same with the trolls in charge of Gizmo.
Hey, if the trolls want Gizmo, let's give them Gizmo.
I predict that Alva is having one of her excellent ideas.
It's dusk. Here we are. We're in charge now. We're the trolls.
Oh, we had no idea. Did we, Oolies?
Nuh-uh.
No idea whatsoever.
It's such a relief not to have to run the town anymore. And everything that comes with the job.
Everything that comes with the job?
There's so much work to do running Gizmo. Isn't that right, Alva?
Oh, yes. To keep the fountain clean, the fountain cleaners will have to be paid 5 gizbits. Organising street sweeping, that'll cost 10 gizbits. And don't forget, to feed the blobbos, you'll have to pay 16 gizbits.
Oh, yeah, they do get rather peckish.
Enough! Enough!
I'm sure you'll figure it all out after a few years.
No, wait! We don't want the town anymore!
It's way too much work.
And really expensive.
Please!
Well, if you'd prefer, Mayor Garth could give you the bubbles back if you give him Gizmo back and all those gizbits he spent.
Yeah, anything! Take them all! Whose big idea was that anyway?